Alright, today we're going to be reviewing the Habu, which is the Apogee snake-themed rocket. This is the rocket itself, a low-powered park flyer. It's a fun rocket, got some really cool decals. It's got an 18mm motor mount, along with a motor hook to keep your motor inside. Inside, we got a Kevlar shock cord, which usually comes with Apogee kits. And we got our parachute. Something interesting about this parachute is you do have to cut it out and attach it to the strings. Additionally, we added a swivel to kind of help prevent tangling. And then, of course, you just got more of your Kevlar shock cord. We flew it today. It flew pretty well. I definitely like it. I would recommend it as a nice little park flyer, giving it maybe 3.5 to 4 stars. And yeah, I would recommend this Apogee Habu.
Alright, Habu.